these two wires, I'm going to pass the two through one on. Then my foundation. I watched video that you did work for me. Okay, so this is it. I'll gum it now. So the switch is already done. Remaining for me to connect this. Why this I'll gum it now. You must not use this commercially. You can use a smaller or bigger gum. You can use super glue, any gum you can get. I didn't know. Is I have to gum it. So this the inside. I'll put the cover. So when you're done, you can cover it. So now what we are going to do is connect these two wires to the owner. So from these two switches, you're going to decide the one that will trigger the power and the one that will take it. But for me, I'll use the closest to it, which will be these two. So I cut the wire, so I'll get in the right place. I bring out the